Bit of health now. Nigerians have been advised to adopt healthy lifestyle that will prevent them from coming up with heart-related ailments. The Healthy Heart Foundation, which has been supporting less privileged Nigerians with free open heart surgeries, says many people are coming up with deadly heart-related ailments, and this calls for an urgent need for caution, especially in Nigeria. Senior correspondent Jacqueline Ogo reports.
Every year, 8% of Nigeria's population come up with heart-related diseases, and 11% of the population die of the same diseases annually. Watchers of the health sector say there is an urgent need for people to know extensively the dangerous dimensions heart-related diseases can take, and the government should plow resources into creating awareness.
The challenge, however, is that our health systems have failed to keep pace with our challenging lifestyles. And as a result, we are neither able to prevent the disease nor able to diagnose them early for effective life-saving interventions.
Doctors often find themselves in traumatic situations when their patients die of diseases that can be prevented. The founders of the first cardiology consultants here in Nigeria found themselves in the same situation and decided to set up the Healthy Heart Foundation in 2021 to help less privileged people with heart-related challenges. The foundation, through the help of some reputable Nigerians, has successfully carried out 50 open heart surgeries here in the country with the assistance of some foreign partners. It says more can be achieved with ceaseless cooperation.
Giving has nothing to do with having. Because if you want to give, you will give, no matter how small it is.
Most of the time you have patients come in requiring these services, and the finances is usually the problem. So the doctors and surgeons are not able to because the patient cannot afford what is required.
The Healthy Heart Foundation says the care of the heart cannot be downplayed. Experts say risky habits and dangerous lifestyles, including those that precipitate hypertension, must be dropped for safe ones.
Fried in salt, the cooked granules are also fried in salt, and that contributes a lot to blood pressure. I have been preaching salt to my patients over the past 6 months. Many of them have stopped salt and their blood pressure just comes down. So salt is a big deal, and groundnuts, cashew nuts, almonds that are salted are all part of this salt problem.
If you're a smoker, the chances of you getting heart problems, developing heart problems are much higher. But also again, if you are fat, if you get obese, and that's why I say again, it's also related to diet or lack of exercise.
Thank you very much.
Ishaya Shehu Mekai is a beneficiary of the assistance of the foundation. He is the man right here on screen. He almost crossed the shores of life to death, but a 6 million naira intervention for an open heart surgery is the reason why he is happy.
Please let the more donors should come and donate to help the poor ones to live like me.
Olufunke Adedonyi also got the same help.
My husband will have been the widower, my children will have been without motherless, but thanks to God, my family member, my parents, they will have been in everlasting pain because it's not easy losing a grown-up child.
The most common type of heart-related diseases includes the aforementioned high blood pressure, a condition in which the force of blood against the artery walls is too high. Another is congestive heart failure, which occurs when the heart does not pump blood well. Coronary heart disease occurs when the heart's major blood vessels are damaged. Stroke occurs when there is a damage to the brain due to interruptions in blood supply. And the congenital heart disease has to do with the abnormality of the heart even before a child is born. The Healthy Heart Foundation says humanity must begin with charity. and the needy should be helped to get well. The World Health Organization is in alignment with this and says everyone must use a heart for a heart. Jacqueline Ogo, TVC News, Lagos.